In this video, we will learn to integrate cosine of minus 2 times x. Let I be equal to integration of cosine of minus 2 times x with respect to x. As we know, the trigonometry identity cosine of minus theta is equal to cosine of theta. The video explaining how to derive this identity is appearing in the upper right corner. Also, the URL address of the video has been mentioned in the description section. So I is equal to integration of cosine of 2 times x with respect to x. To simplify this integration, let's apply the substitution method. I have assumed the 2x is equal to u. Taking differential of both sides, we get differentiation of 2x with respect to x into differential of x is equal to differentiation of u with respect to u into differential of u. As we know, differentiation of 2x with respect to x is equal to 2 and differentiation of u with respect to u is equal to 1. So we are left with 2 into differential of x is equal to differential of u. I have taken 2 to right, so I got differential of x is equal to 1 upon 2 into differential of u. Substituted x in I by our assumed value, now the integration I has become integration of cosine of u by 2 with respect to u. This is a simple integration. 1 by 2 is the constant. The antiderivative of cosine of u is sine of u. So I is equal to sine of u divided by 2. We had solved the integration in the terms of u. Now we need to take back the expression in the terms of x. For that I have replaced u by 2x, which we had assumed earlier, and then added capital C, which is the arbitrary constant of indifferent integral. Do not forget to add this constant in the end of any indifferent integration. Thank you for being with me. I hope you like this video. Please click the like button and subscribe button. Do not forget to press the notification bell so that you get the notifications of my new videos. Share the video and do write in the comments. I am eager to listen to your thoughts. If you have any question related to video, or if you think I should make a video on any topics in which you are interested, please write in the comments. Thank you.